In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop zooming to the overview in Prezi. If you've ever used Prezi, you know how visually dynamic its presentations can be. However, sometimes the constant zooming out to the overview can be a bit distracting for your audience. So today, I'm going to show you how to streamline your presentation by removing this automatic zooming function, leading to a smoother, more focused flow. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to open your presentation in the Prezi editor. This is where all the magic happens and where you can customize the way your presentation flows and interacts with your audience. Once you've opened your presentation, you're going to want to locate the specific topic or subtopic where you'd like to control the zooming. It's helpful to have your presentation planned out so you know exactly which sections you want to adjust. Now, once you've selected the topic or subtopic, your next step is to locate the Path Settings or Animation Settings panel. This panel is essentially your command center for controlling what happens with each click and animation within your presentation. It provides options that allow you to customize how each section transitions, and it's exactly where we need to be to disable that pesky zoom out feature. At this point, what you'll want to do is disable the automatic zooming. To do this, simply turn off the default overview transition setting. This step is critical as it stops the presentation from automatically zooming out after each section, which can often disrupt the flow and focus. With automatic zooming turned off, you're now free to adjust the path of your presentation. This is where you'll direct each click to transition directly to the next topic or subtopic, rather than zooming out to the overview. By doing this, you'll ensure that your audience experiences a seamless narrative journey, allowing them to stay engaged with the material you're presenting. Next, it's time to test your changes. Switch to present mode and navigate through your presentation to confirm that the zoom out behavior has been successfully removed. This is your chance to ensure everything runs smoothly, so take your time to click through each transition and make sure it looks and feels just right. And there you have it. That's how you stop zooming to the overview in Prezi. By following these steps, you can maintain a clear focus on your content, providing your audience with a more polished and engaging presentation experience. Whether you're presenting to a small group or a large audience, these adjustments can make a big difference in how your message is received. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you perfect your Prezi presentation.